Welcome to this channel, traders. Today I want to share with you a VIP strategy for Bitcoin, BTC USD. I know there's a strategy that I shared on my trading guide, but I think this one is going to replace that one. Okay. For those who are using mobile, please watch yesterday's video. I explained on how to download and install this sessions indicator. Okay, as you can see on my phone, I already have it. Okay, so you see that it is the same thing. So please watch that video. It will explain to you on how to do this thing. Okay, and another thing, traders, some of you are still asking about US 100 strategy and US 30 strategy. I shared those strategies on the trading PDF, the trading guide. Okay, or maybe it doesn't work anymore. Let me just check. There is US 100. I'll just check on what happened yesterday. Okay, remember, according to the trading guide, you are supposed to trade this thing, or you are supposed to observe the Sydney session. Okay, so I'm going to leave the Sydney session. Okay, so what you should have done yesterday, you mark the highest point on the Sydney session and you mark the lowest point. If price closes below, you take a sell. So yesterday you should have sold this thing. Okay, somewhere there should have sold this thing. Reward of 2. Okay, let's check US30. The strategy is the same for US30. Okay, let's see. Same thing. You mark the highest point on the Sydney session and then you mark the lowest point on the Sydney session. When price closed below somewhere there, you take a sell trade. Okay, so this is what you should have done yesterday. A risk to reward ratio of 2. This is what you should have done yesterday, but I'm still going to check and see if I can improve this strategy. For those who don't even have this one, it's on my trading guide. Okay, it's on my trading guide. This trading guide has got the strategies for the different currency pairs. Okay, you see US 100, US 30. Okay, and to get this PDF, it's a cool PDF. Even though I'm about to update it for version 3, you have to open an account with Fxview broker, right? Fxview, a wonderful regulated broker. You open an account here, you get the first version of the PDF, but if you fund the account, you get the recent PDF and the upcoming updates. Okay, so you will be the man. You will get the upcoming updates. You can just come on Fxview and check what they have to provide. It's an ECN broker. Okay, I can say the best because they've got an award for being the best. Okay, and they have these deposit methods and these trading platforms. Let me just proceed to the strategy I'm about to show you. This thing can pay you really big. Okay, it can pay you really big. And do you realize, or let me say, you should know that in the forex market it is possible to get profits only. Okay, it is possible. I'm still working on that, making researches on that, but I definitely will figure out a way. All you have to do is subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss it when I publish it or when I start selling such a strategy. Let me just start from scratch. Let's come to indicators. Okay, and then we say sessions. Select that one, sessions by Lux Algo. This is what you are supposed to see. Go to the settings of the indicator, scroll to the bottom and check the last box. If you are on white screen on Sydney, put a black color there. Okay, uncheck Sydney anyway, uncheck London, uncheck New York, let's leave Tokyo and then press OK. Okay, and then let's go. I think we can apply this one even on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, so on the 5 minutes time frame, my strategies are very simple. Okay, as easy as ABC. We already have the last candle on the Tokyo session. Just zoom in for you to see. People have a lot to ask. You already have the last candle, and the last candle is that one. Okay, I hope you can see that last candle on the Tokyo session. Every after 15 minutes you come and check what is happening. Okay, let's say this is a candle, it has closed below this key level. It is very much wise to even wait for the following candle. The following candle has to be somewhat longer than the first one. Okay, like that. So once you see something like this, you sell. Okay, like that. Reward of 2. Okay, very easy. If price does the opposite, you take a buy trade. It is as easy as that. So I'm just going to scroll back and see how you were supposed to do this thing on the previous days. That is the last candle. Okay, let's just do this, and then price closed below clearly somewhat there, so you could have taken a sell trade. Okay, let's go back. Okay, right here, that was your last candle. Price closed there. Okay, so you should have taken a sell trade somewhere there. How many pips is that? It is it 18? Can't see clearly, but based on my PDF, I don't like showing this PDF because you are supposed to pay for it. At 10 pips, it's your first TP, 20 pips, second TP, TP3 is at 30 pips. Okay, it is like that. I like to get out at second TP. Okay, let's just rush this thing. Okay, let's see. Right here, there was your your last candle. You take a buy trade there. Okay, you catch that small move. If it's 20 pips, be good to go. Okay, you see that? By next week, if you are really determined, you can be paying your bills with this thing only. Okay, you see that? Let's look at what happened right here. Maybe you could have missed this one. Okay, first, or it made a spike and then ended up closing below. You wouldn't have missed this because it ended up closing below. You could have sold here, and once you sell here, your stop loss is now supposed to be above this area where price reversed. Okay, so your stop loss would be safe right there. So you would have your pips. Okay, you see these days following each other, you are still making profits day after day. That was your last candle. Okay, price closed clearly below above. You have to wait for those candles to follow each other. You would sell either there, buy, or there. Okay, you see how easy this is, traders. You see how easy this is, and you are still asking for signals. You can do this thing for yourself. Okay, you wait for price to give you a clear closing. So I'm sure you could have bought there. Okay, could have bought there. See how easy this is. It always works. That's why I say it's a VIP strategy, which I should have sold. Okay, but I love my subscribers. Okay, so you could have entered a buy trade there. Okay, should have entered a buy trade there. Those who are using mobile, I repeat, make sure you watch the video I shared yesterday. Install it. Okay, install it. You see that price closed clearly below somewhere there. Should have entered a sell trade. How easy is this? How easy? How easy is this? Make sure to subscribe. This might be the last VIP strategy that I share with you. Okay, you sell. Okay, wait for a clear closing. Don't rush. You could have sold there. Okay, I'm thinking of leaving the rest to you. Continue with the analysis so that you are familiar with this thing. Okay, it always works. See that? That's why I say it's possible. A very clear closing was somewhere there. Okay, so you would have sold, put your stop loss above that region, you catch that move. Simple as that. Okay, until then, have a wonderful weekend. I mean, it's a Friday. Make sure to kill the market next week with this strategy. Thank you for watching this video and remember to subscribe.